This message is directed to Mr. President William Samoei Ruto. I want to tell you, Mr. President, that the direction that you are taking is completely wrong. When you are campaigning, you knew that Kenyans are Kenyans, and you also knew that Kenyans are hustlers. Right now you've forgotten, and you are calling Kenyans mapepo. I want to tell you that Kenyans are not mapepo. It is you who has this culture ya kupinga kila kitu, as you put it. It is you ambaye alipinga the constitution that was promulgated in 2010. Ulipinga BBI. Ni wewe ndio mapepo yalikuweka upinge Rais Uhuru Kenyatta. Kwa hivyo wewe ndiye ulifundisha wa Kenya jinsi ya kupinga vitu. Saizi wa Kenya wanapinga vitu kwa sababu wana shida. Kenyans are experiencing different challenges ranging from overtaxation, high cost of living, unemployment, and other various challenges. Right now you've brought us she and sha, meant to destroy the lives of Kenyans, meant to reduce their disposable income further without increasing their salaries. You've decided that our brothers and sisters at the university will not clear their education with a new funding model that is meant to kill education system in this country. Mr. President, take your time during this December holiday and reason. As we always say, the people surrounding you, you know that they don't have brains, and you know that they speak without thinking, and you know that they are not the right people to advise you. Therefore, make sure that you manage this country, because in the foreseeable future we are going to take over this country, and we want a country that is productive. We don't want a country that shall have been destroyed by you.